Howdy do, Rangeroos, and welcome to another episode of Building Stuff with Bach, where we are going to start working on building this pegboard right here. Now, if you look at it, the pegs move left and right, up and down and whatnot. It has two sides. It has a platform. There's also going to be a mallet, which we're going to put in later on, but at least for right now, we are going to go ahead and start on our pegs. Now, in order to start on the pegs, File, New, Part right there, Start 2D Sketch, click the XY plane, and what do you think? Start easy. Let's go ahead with the circle, go to the origin point, and enter the number 1, because it is going to be a 1-inch circle. Finish the sketch, zoom out so you can see it, click the extrude tool, and we are going to extrude this distance A 3 inches, and then click OK. Now, in order to color this, because it does have to have a color, click on the extrusion right here. See how it highlights everything on the screen? And let's choose a color for this. I will make it green. There we go. Looks like an emerald. Now, let's go ahead and save this. File, Save As, and you want to save this as Pegboard Toy Round Peg, just like that. I'm saving on your desktop. I'm going to save this as Round Peg 1 because I've already done it, and save. Now, let's go ahead and do our square peg. File, New, Part. There we go. Start 2D Sketch, XY plane, use our polygon tool, so find the 2-point rectangle right here, click on the origin, go up and to the right, and it's going to be a 1-inch square, so enter the number 1, hit the tab key, enter the number 1, and zoom on out. Lo and behold, we've got a 1-inch square. Finish the sketch, extrude it on out. It's going to be 3 inches right there. And then the same thing. Click on the extrusion on the left-hand line, left-hand menu. And what color should we do this one? Let's go red. Save this, File, Save As, and it is going to be Pegboard Toy Square Peg, just like this. I'm going to put the number 1 in there because I've already done this, and save. Now we have to go and do the dreaded triangle. So File, New, Part, Start 2D Sketch, XY plane. Under here, find our polygon tool. We need to change it to number of sides 3 right there. And ready? Draw our triangle. Yes, indeed. The triangle. Okay, so next thing we have to do is make sure that it's oriented correctly. So we need to find the, let's see, what do I want? Horizontal constraint. Click horizontal constraint, this one right here, and click the bottom of the triangle. See how that got upright right there? Watch again. Horizontal constraint, click the bottom of the triangle. Now we're good. Now we have to dimension this. So click on the dimension tool, click, clickety-click. It says 0.897. Now you have to be careful on triangles because sometimes the dimensions come out different, so make sure that the dimension is coming out this way. If the dimension, you're having difficulty, you can do the bottom right there instead of the angled part. But it's an equilateral triangle, so they're all going to be equal. So there we go. I got 0.897. Let me delete that so you can see it. Dimension, choose the bottom, and it's 1 inch. And since it's an equilateral triangle, we're all good. Finish the sketch. Extrude to 3 inches. Click on OK. And again, extrusion right there. Let's choose the color. And, ooh, magenta. File, Save As, Make sure it's on your desktop. And this will be Pegboard Toy Triangle Peg. I'm going to put the number 1 because I've already done this. And there we go. So with all this, we have, let's see, where do we got? Go through this. There we go. We have our 3 pegs done. We've got our round, our triangle, and our square. Make sure you save this, stop this video, rewind, and replay as many times as you need in order to get the concept.